Welcome back. Ganesh Gavre, aged 38, died while he was cutting a tree at Aldona on Monday. He was a resident of Karkumbi, Khanapur in Belgaum. He was accompanied by his associate from Belgaum. Mapsa police conducted a panchnama.
आमच्या गावचो बेटने जांभूळचे पडे
तेका किती फॅमिली बीन आहा बायल
आसा आसा 3 भुरगे आसात मरे आनी एक चोडो बारीक आहा आनी बायला चौग आसा आवय आसा आनी एक भयण.
Jitu Rai won a gold medal in shooting to light up the 5th day for India at the Glasgow Commonwealth Games. Gurpal Singh and Gagan Narang added 1 silver medal each to India's kitty on Monday. Early on Sunday night, S. Sathish clinched a gold medal in weightlifting. The shooters and weightlifters have so far won medals on a consistent basis at the ongoing games. On the other hand, badminton and table tennis teams failed to win medals, India with 7 gold.
Now we move to the men's 77 kilogram final, and India's Sathish Sivalingam dominated the snatch. He set a new Commonwealth record.
That one I think he'll get.
There shouldn't be any question about that.
From start to finish, he has won the gold for India. Not surprising given what he has done over the past year. And the silver goes to Gurpal Singh. There was a point in time when he was trailing, he was down at 3, but he has fought back well and came really close. And Jitu Rai, of course, there was absolutely no doubt who really was going to go in and cash in on that top spot.
Ear defenders in, and a lot of blinders too, as you can see. 30 seconds on the clock. First of 2 series to determine the bronze medal place. We'll just need to make sure he has a covering shot here. Taking his time. 15 seconds left. Stop. The ability of Narang. Shot very quickly, a 10.2. That'll do it. That will do it. The Australian triumphs. Gagan Narang doesn't get his 9th Commonwealth gold. He'll have to settle for a silver.
They've done it!
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.